Okay, are those your comfy shoes?
These are okay, yeah. They're
It's
getting
hard.
worn out on the bottom.
Yeah, you need a little more cushion. It feels sometimes I just need a little. I put some Dr. Scholl's in my.
Oh.
Did you? In those? It helps a little bit. Yeah.
This is the way to the Golden Mine Trail here, to the right.
Yeah.
We just came off of Cristo Arroyo, which was this way.
It's just hard.
Yep. Well, right where I was going, I guess that was the way to go.
But we're a little bit off.
Yeah, we're definitely off. But just that part where we should have followed the way. Oh.
Yeah, this is the trail too.
Yeah.
They both come out the same place.
Yeah, it looked like it. But yeah, it doesn't hurt to go on it. Here's another trail.
I see that.
This is too crazy. Now, here's a cairn. Okay, now this is it. This is it? Yes. Oh, okay, that wasn't very far, Jack. No, it wasn't. Well, I'm glad we didn't have to.
Oh, guess what?
No? We're closer, though.
Shoot. No, see, I think it's back where I got off the trail at. Where I went off the trail at. Well, horse pucky.
Yeah, definitely need to write your subject book. Yeah, I think trail finding is the biggest challenge we have. Yeah, even staring at our GPS is like, hey.
Yes. He'd be proud.
I almost thought that little half trail might have.
Yeah, I was hoping that would do that. That would have been perfect, because then we wouldn't have had to climb the elevation that we're going to have to climb again.
Oh, well, I need it to be. It is. All the way down. I should have tried it on. I was going to, and I didn't.
Decided I just didn't have enough energy to do that, even though it was right at my house, you know. And Linda's wedding GPS Joe, a deck party. Oh, I can't remember, like 2 other things too. So I decided, well, if I were Linda and I didn't show up for that wedding, I'd be pretty mad. So I made the right choice. It doesn't seem like, but this was a like a daycare, preschool, counseling, and a church. So it was rather interesting. Oh yeah.
You just kind of know where we are.
Well,
You know where that was.
over there, I recognized everything. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Here's Dome Mountain. Dome's all lit up.
You were higher than that. Mountain.
Oh yeah. That was a good hike. I know Wade liked it too.
Yeah, he did.
He did.
He was a hard camper coming back.
Was he? Yeah, he was good.
That was an accomplishment.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, yeah, because we kind of left him in the dust on the way back, hiking out. High either.
Is that?
No. No.
Oh, we were looking at that from the other side of the
That's
wall.
right.
Oh, that is it.
That's it?
Yep. That's it, Kelly.
Is it?
Yep.
We're hiking up there?
That's not even an arch.
It's really more of
It's
a...
boulder. It's a stack of boulders.
Yeah.
That?
I don't know.
Jack, is that legal to leave that pile of deer guts there?
Yeah.
Huh. Seems kind of messy.
Well, it's kind of like giving back to nature, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, nature will clean that up.
Like that bear in the cave and the mountain lions. Mary Jo's mountain lions.
Yeah, over in Minnesota, Wisconsin, you got out of here one day.
This one, Jack. Beautiful view of the Four Peaks up there. Or the little Four Peaks, sorry. It's hard. I don't know how Hank does it so well without falling. You and I, we trip and stumble.
Whole different look to it in the clouds.
Mm-hmm.
These kind of trails that chew up your shoes.
Yeah, pretty much, because it's pretty rocky.
Into hiking until we got into geocaching. And then I would go with him doing geocaching, and that was in 2007, so that's when I kind of took up hiking.
Yeah, I was into geocaching for a while.
Were you?
Yeah. I couldn't see paying an annual.
What were you taking a picture of?
That.
Oh, the holy rock? It's so holy, isn't it?
Well, eventually the caches that you say, hey, that looks like a good one. I'll go look there.
Yeah.
Well, it was for premium members.
She's a teacher. So, oh yeah, she's very dedicated.
See, here's the thing. I'm all for all of that. Now, where's my camera? That has to go in the front pocket.
Completely blown away. Never seen a group get the ground right like that. Yeah.
I think so. That was so close.